Tara Hastings.
And it was a gorgeous day today. Blue skies, warm temperatures for those of you with outdoor plans this weekend. We found one family enjoying some time together at Eastwood Metro Park, and it is going to be a great official kickoff to summer. Forecast tonight, still lots of sunshine expected at 7 o'clock, 71 degrees, mostly clear conditions as we go into the overnight hours. Just a few passing clouds here or there. 67 degrees at 9 o'clock, 63 at 11 o'clock, and we'll start off tomorrow morning. Lots of sunshine once again. Readings about 59, warming up to 72 by lunchtime, and 80 degrees heading in the afternoon tomorrow. Here's a look at what is happening over in Greene County. Beaver Creek Phillips Company's camera. You can see just a few clouds passing through, but still lots of sunshine out there. We're sitting at 75 degrees in Beaver Creek with winds out of the south. And officially at Dayton International Airport, sitting at 74 degrees there, variable winds, and the dew point value sitting at 48. Basically what that means is very low humidity values and very comfortable. It is 77 in Salina, 71 in Bellefontaine, 77 in Eaton, 75 in Xenia, also in Springboro and Wilmington checking in at 73. So we are going to see some warmer temperatures heading into the day tomorrow. Readings will be right around that 80-degree mark, but even warmer heading into much of next week. Temperatures will climb into the middle 80s. That warming trend will continue for much of next week, but we are going to see a couple of chances for some showers. But until then, it is going to be dry. We'll zoom in a little bit closer for you and show you just a few passing clouds here through Chicago over towards Indianapolis and through the Miami Valley, but we generally have high pressure in control, and that means dry conditions expected, light winds and lots of sunshine. We'll show you in our future track forecast model what we can expect here for the rest of the Memorial Day weekend. We'll start the clock here at 8 and just see just a few passing clouds overnight. Tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, I know many church services beginning their outdoor worship. No problems at all, and not going to need the umbrella if you're going to be having some cookout plans Sunday afternoon. It will continue to be dry. Here's the picture at 6 o'clock. Sunday night into Monday morning, if you're heading off to any of those parades, I think most of Monday will be dry. We'll show you here at 8 a.m. Dry conditions, lots of sunshine. But as we go into about 7 o'clock and afterwards, that's when we're going to see the best chance for a few showers to develop. But again, most of the day on Monday will be dry. Here's a look at your Memorial Day forecast. 65 degrees at 8 a.m., about 80 degrees by lunchtime, and we'll see those highs into the middle 80s. Tonight, lows near 53 degrees, mostly clear and nice. And for tomorrow, highs right around 80 degrees, mostly sunny, just a pleasant afternoon expected. In your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast, 84 degrees on Monday with partly cloudy skies, especially in the afternoon, and that rain chance holds off until after 7 o'clock. 82 on Tuesday with partly cloudy skies, a good chance of some showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. That trend continues into Wednesday. Thursday, slight chance for a few showers, but it looks like dry conditions once again for next weekend.
What a beautiful holiday weekend.
Yeah, I really couldn't have picked it